are doing. So we've done soft glam, we've done our dinner date, sexy look, and now we're going into something a bit more nightclub. So we're gonna go back in with a black pencil. Close your eyes. Actually, this is the waterproof one, and we're just gonna get that outer corner because she's got a lot of, like, the eyeliner is going out pretty far, so this means we sort of have a border. And again, I'm just going right on top of the shadow. Hello, so lazy. You can just build, and you've already got all your structure, so it makes it really easy. Let's go a little bit on the inner. You can close again. See, black smoky eye is going to be our base for this look because it is a nightclub look. Do you go out to nightclubs?
No.
Me neither.
I haven't been to a nightclub in 5 years.
It's not true though. I did go out on during Christmas.
Oh yeah, that's right.
You can look up. I mean, I went in. Actually, we'll go inside your eye this time. Yeah, that's better. And I'm using a little Hokuhodo brush, and this one's a little skinnier. And I'm just gonna get more in the crease. I'm gonna add a bit of, I want the depth really strong in the crease and in the outer corner, and then I'll add a touch of like a blue shimmery pigment. Told you, honey, we're going to the nightclub.
True.
Just take a clean brush and we'll just soften the edges a little bit, but I definitely want to keep it really strong. Also, I kind of don't want to over blend it. I sort of like the harsh lines. It just looks a little more tough. And what I do, I take a brush like this, spritz a little water. And then let's see the pigment in front of the camera. Yeah, you can hold it here. Eye is holding the pigment for me, and I just dip in, spritz again, test on, oh, the water just dribbled. And then go ahead and close, and then we just go right on top of the lid. Let's do this one. And when you get it a little bit wet, P.S. that MAC pigment is so freaking sick, but it is discontinued. And I probably found the last one available in the world. But there's a lot of great blue shadows out there. But this one, especially use it wet, you do it kind of sheer. Oh, the color, it just pops so much. And then you can kind of just take and blend out the edges. But we're really just focusing. And maybe turn this way a little bit. We're just gonna hit the brow bone. And I'm actually gonna do this on the cheekbone too. Holy moly, can you see that? Oh, that's so pretty. And I'll do a better job of blending that, but I'm just gonna get it on there first. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so we're gonna go back into, if you saw our first video, I hope you did, because we're leading up to this point. We're gonna add a bit of cheek heat, and this is Coral Ember again. I really love the idea of blue mixed with coral. We'll do like a coral glossy lip at the end too. Let's see this guy. Brush to the brown, add a little touch back on top. Not too much. I think that this look doesn't need a big eyebrow. A touch more concealer. Can't reach you. Sneeze. Let's just keep going on with that blue highlighter. I mean, why not have a little blue Cupid's bow? Let's see. Hopefully this isn't too much, but I'm gonna try it. We'll do something a bit coral. Let's try this one. I love these sheer ones from Pat. Let's see, because I think this is going to be really pretty together. Just to do a sheer glossy lip, but in that coral tone. Cool, so we'll just do some gloss on the lips. This is just a clear gloss. Final bit of this makeup look, I think I'm just gonna make Emily a bit more shiny, like she's been dancing all night. Yeah. Decided the hair should be slick back for this one because that is quite an eye. Look at that cheekbone. This is a disco look, honey. Love it.